Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. If it's your first time of coming across my video, if it's your first time of watching any of my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to join the family, okay? For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you. I cannot thank you enough. On this video, I'm going to show you how I made this simple box braiding with coily end for my toddler. As you can see, the hair is so simple and beautiful. You can make this hair for you as an adult or for your children, okay? So if you want to see the end, if you want to see how I was able to do this, just keep on watching. At the end of the video, if it's kind of video you like, if it's kind of video you like to watch, if you enjoy the video, or if you learn one or two things from the video, just don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment on the comment section. Any correction, any hairstyle suggestion is highly acceptable. And at the end, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to join this family, this wonderful family. And if you subscribe, don't forget to turn up the post notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification, okay? So guys, let's dive into the video. what I did here, I used thread to make the coil. As you can see what I'm doing, you can use hair extension. Yes, you can use hair extension. Then after that, I try to drag the thread or hair extension I was using, not the main hair itself. As you can see, the coil is there. Then after that, I will put it I will dip the end inside the hot water. Yes, so you have to be careful while doing the hot water part, because unless you are doing it to even adults, you have to be careful. So after the hot water, next clip will be the result. Sorry I didn't show the hot water. Wow, look at my princess, she's so happy. As you can see, the hairstyle is not that difficult. It's kind of normal braiding with a coily end. Okay, you can also give it a try. Yes, you can also give it a try and see the results. So guys, I believe if you have watched up on this time, you have given the video a thumbs up. Even if you have not, it's not too late. Okay, just press on that thumbs up sign there. Just comment on the video, tell me what you think about the hair, whether you like the hairstyle or you will give it a try. And please subscribe. Okay, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.